Hey everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. In today's video, we're breaking down the canister purge valve, an essential part of your vehicle's emission system. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and show you the steps to diagnose and fix common issues. So if you're dealing with that pesky check engine light, stay tuned. The canister purge valve, also known as the purge valve, is an important part of the evaporative emission control system. It traps the fuel vapors created in your fuel tank and prevents them from escaping into the air. The canister purge control valve is most often located in the engine bay, on a hose going from the intake to the canister. It can also be located near the fuel tank. A faulty canister purge valve can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the evaporative emission system related error codes. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve before filming, but you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum suckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off and replace it with a correct new one. Once everything's back in place, reconnect the battery, start the engine, and check if the check engine light has cleared. And that's it. Fixing a bad canister purge valve is a straightforward task that can make a big difference in your car's emissions, fuel economy, and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next.